Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Corgi coin using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, you just want to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallets. So let's go ahead and open up mine here. And then once you're in your Trust Wallet, I'm just going to remind everyone that I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer a BNB inside of this video here. If you guys don't know how to do that and you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description below, as well as in the comment section. It should be in the pinned comment, but I'll have tutorials there if you guys need to learn how to do that first. But once you guys learn how to do that and you have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallets, you're good to go. Now for those people that have their BNB just inside of their BNB wallets here, all you have to do is click on BNB, click on swap, and then you get an option here to swap to Smart Chain. It's very important that you have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallets, or else you will not be able to go through with this process. So you're going to want to make sure that you have that in your Smart Chain wallets, so then your coins will appear on PancakeSwap. So once you have your coins inside of your Smart Chain wallet, you're now good to go to the next step. The next step being going over to CoinMarketCap. So I'll have a link in the description for CoinMarketCap and in the comment section. So you guys can just head over to CoinMarketCap and we're going to get the contract address from there and then come back to our Trust Wallets. So let's go ahead over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you're on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go down to where we see the contracts and go all the way over to the right where you see the two squares. Go ahead and click on that to copy the address. Once you copy the address, we can head back into our Trust Wallet. Now, once we're back in our Trust Wallet, we can just go to the top right corner of our screens where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And then we can go ahead and paste in the top search here the contract address that we got. We'll then see the Corgi coin pop up here, so we can go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. Once we have that done, all we have to do now is head over to PancakeSwap to actually swap the tokens. And of course, I'll have a link in the description and in the comment sections for you guys, so you can just head there if you would like to. Or of course, you can go ahead and Google PancakeSwap and then head over to the exchange, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is connect our wallets. So we're going to go to the top right corner of the screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we do that, we'll see a couple different options here, one being Wallet Connect. So we can just go ahead over to Wallet Connect. And then we'll see a bunch of different wallets that we could use. You can use any one of these wallets if you would like to, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. So then I'm going to pop up this screen here asking PancakeSwap to connect to our wallet. Now we're going to have to connect to our wallet just so we're able to see our balance of BNB, and so the coin goes right back into our Trust Wallets. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect at the bottom here, and then head back over to PancakeSwap. Now, once we're back on PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallets are connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. And again, if you guys do not see your balance of BNB right here, it's simply because the coins are not in your Smart Chain wallet. So you're going to want to make sure they're in your Smart Chain wallet, and that can be done just by clicking on your BNB wallet, clicking on Swap, and then clicking on Swap to Smart Chain. Once you do that and it's good, you guys can just reset this whole process, close PancakeSwap, reopen it, reconnect your wallet, and then your balance will be there with no issues. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Currency and paste that address in the top search here. Once we do that, we'll see the Corgi token pop up here. So we're just going to click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Once we have that done here, we just have to put the amount of BNB that we want to transfer into the token. So let's just say we wanted to do 1 BNB. We can go ahead and do that. And then it will show us the amount of the Corgi token we'll get in exchange for our BNB. Now, the last thing we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So you just want to go to the side where you see this little settings gear here and click on that. Once you do that, you just want to go down to where you see swaps and liquidity, and you'll see slippage tolerance right here. Now, for this token, I'd recommend using around 12%. It may change based on the liquidity at the time you're watching this video, so you can try lower and you can try higher as well if that fails, but I'd start off at a good median of 12%. There's usually around 12% for these tokens, but like I said, it will change, so if the transaction does not go through for whatever reason, I would try raising the slippage tolerance first off. If not, of course, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try to figure out your issue and try to help you out. Anyhow, once you have that done here, we can exit out of here, and then we can go ahead and try swapping through the transaction. So you just want to go down to where you see swap, where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on swap there, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and stuff for this token. Now, I would read through that, make sure you understand and you're happy with the transaction before you go through with it. But once you guys are happy with that and content, you guys can go ahead and click on swap, and then it should give you a successful transaction notice. Now, once you receive that notice and it gives you that check mark, you can then go ahead back into your Trust wallets, and the token will arrive in your Corgi Coin wallet inside of your Trust wallet, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.